And it's really cool that so many people are willing to make this happen. Year after year, we all know that this ride is to support firefighters and families. The reason this was created was for Kristin scholarship. And we're over $25,000 just in that pot alone to keep supporting women that want to pursue a career in the fire service. This doesn't happen without you guys, honestly. You know, if it was just Sandy and I driving up north to see the memorial every year, that would be really cool. But this event doesn't happen without all of you, and we've had so many of you come back year after year. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you.